How to log in to Spotify on Android. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. So first you open Play Store and you search for Spotify and you see if it's updated or no. Mine is updated already, so I click on open. Once you click on open, if you don't have an account you have to sign in, but if you already have an account, click on login. And here you have three options. Previously on your phone or wherever you had logged in your Spotify, had you logged in with your phone number, then put your phone number, Google account, then Google account, or Facebook, then Facebook. Right here I have, if you put connect to Facebook, it will ask you for your email address and your Facebook password, or it will directly connect you with your Facebook app. If you put a phone number, you can connect it through phone number. It will ask for an OTP. I have put it through Google account, so I click on Google and I choose the account I had signed in previously with. So this is how you log in your account. You have to put your password, and this is how you log into your Spotify on your Android. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.